minutes. I will try to do full justice to this topic. I also keep in mind that ये जो इंसानों का जो attention span होता है, the human being attention span is, any guesses? 15 minutes, okay. Anybody else? Take a wild guess. I'm not asking you Sensex targets. बोलो यार, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. Okay, so the attention span of human beings has progressively come down, and as we speak right now, it is 8 seconds. And at 8 seconds, it is lower than the attention span of a goldfish. So my only request is, I'm not going to speak for 8 seconds, I'm going to speak for at least 15 minutes, so I want all of you all extremely alert. So not only ears open, I want even the eyes open. Okay, so when we talk about investments, we talk about money, and it's all about money, honey. Actually, that was my first topic. Then my marketing person thought it will be very cheesy, so give me a nice and sober topic. So I said, okay, take, allocate right, invest wise. So when we talk about money, people say, पैसा ही सब कुछ नहीं होता. Money is not everything in life. But Warren Buffett said that whoever says that, make sure he has made enough and more money before. I think money is important for all of us, whether it's you or me. And look at me, मेरे तो नाम में ही लक्ष्मी जुड़ा हुआ है, so I am तो anyways full of money. So the idea is to try to make this world of investments a little bit more sensible to you. I had a couple of interesting slides and charts, but unfortunately I can't show, so I'll read out some very, very interesting numbers. So when we talk about investments, सबसे पहला पता है क्या आता है माइंड में सबके? निफ्टी, सेंसेक्स, शेयर बाजार. दो माइंड में वी ऑल आर गोल्ड लवर्स एंड रियल एस्टेट लवर्स, मतलब सबके घर में, पिलो में, खजाने में, हर जगह में सोना ही सोना भरा हुआ है. एवरीबडी हैज़ गॉट रियल एस्टेट. कहीं सूरत में लैंड है, कोई वलसाड़ में है, किसी का नागपुर में है, किसी का मुंबई में है. बट आई थिंक one stock which comes to most of our people's mind when we talk about investments is HDFC. So I'm taking the example of HDFC, and I have a slightly long-term history. 1991 से लेके 2015. It's a very long period, but I'm just giving you the longevity just to explain to you how, and people think that, you know, entry करो, timing करो, ये channel देखो, वो channel देखो, और उसके बाद when you start trading, बहुत सारा पैसा बनता है, बहुत सारा पैसा बना. There is this chart, it's not very visible, but this is the chart of HDFC Bank from 1991 to 2015, where if you would have timed the best entry and exit, now you would have made about 45% return, and that's a lot of money. But just imagine if you would have just bought and hold that stock. It's not visible, I know, I'll send the presentation later. But from 1991 to 2016, अगर आपने सिर्फ HDFC खरीद के बैठा होता, you would have made almost 400 times returns. I don't even want to convert that into percentage terms. बहुत ही बड़ा number है, 70,000 के ऊपर का number है. So I think, why do investors miss the bus? That includes people like you and me. Why do we miss the bus? Simple reason. Market is red hot, you will say, okay, buy more, buy more. That is BUI, okay? Market corrects, तो आप बोलते हो चलो ठीक है थोड़ा correction हो गया, average कर लेते हैं. It corrects further, you keep averaging. Then it hits the bottom. Bottom में फिर अपना bottom के अलावा सब कुछ छूट जाता है. And then what we do, we start getting panic. And then we say, now it's time to say bye-bye. Then we start selling. Sell होने के बाद और थोड़ा बाजार गिरता है. फिर आप बोलते हो, अरे वाह देखो, what a fantastic decision. I made the best decision of my life, मैंने cut loss कर दिया. फिर और थोड़ा नीचे आता है, बोला ये तो बेस्ट डिसीजन ऑफ माई लाइफ, एंड देन यू कीप वेटिंग वेटिंग वेटिंग, तब तक गाड़ी छूट जाती है. मार्केट राइजेस, देन यू वेट, मार्केट राइजेस अ लिटिल बिट मोर, तो देन द नेट रिजल्ट इज समथिंग लाइक दिस. अगर मेरू पर्वत ऐसा है तो आपका इन्वेस्टमेंट का पर्वत ऐसा है. एग्जैक्टली द मिरर इमेज, दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स. सो बेसिकली द बॉटम लाइन इज दैट ग्रीड एंड फियर जो है हमारे मन में इतना बैठा रहता है दैट वेन एवर वी हैव टू बाय, दैट इज BUY, वी से BYE एंड द रिवर्स. तो जब खरीदने का टाइम आता है हम बाय बाय बोल देते हैं, एंड वाइस वर्सा. The other fundamental problem which prevents us from investing wisely is Maya. Maya is not a girl, okay? By the way, Maya is fetish. बहुत मोह है with real estate. We all love real estate. I was in Surat, I attended, I was addressing a session, 150-200 doctors. बहुत लंबा सेशन चला हमारा, ये तो 20 मिनट का सेशन है. That was 1.5 hours. And at the end of the session, one gentleman got up and he said, one of the doctors, saying that I bought a land in Surat and Valsad or Surat, one of those places, and he said that मेरा पैसा डबल हो गया. मैंने बोला बहुत बढ़िया, कितने टाइम में? तो उन्होंने बोला 5 साल में. मैंने बोला फैंटास्टिक, एक्सीलेंट. सो देन आई सेड कितना रिटर्न कितना हुआ आपका, CAGR कंपाउंडेड जो भी है. तो ही सेइंग पैसा डबल हुआ. तो आई आस्क्ड हिम अगेन, सर कितना हुआ? He had no answer. I opened up an Excel right in front of him. okay? And I showed him 5 rupees becoming 10 or 10 rupees, basically doubling of money in 5 years is no more than 15 to 20% CAGR. That's it. He said, बस इतना ही रिटर्न बना. मैंने बोला आपने तो बोला डबल हुआ. So the point I'm trying to say is that if you talk about 70s, जहाँ पे 600-700 रुपया स्क्वायर फीट है, compared to today, I'm talking about a South Bombay kind of a property, compared to today where the property prices are maybe 1 lakh, 1,25,000 per square feet. Ultimately, what is the return that it has made for you in the last 45 years? 200 times, correct? 200, 210, जो भी, give or take, don't go by numbers. उसका कैगर कितना हुआ? कैगर माने कंपाउंडेड एनुअल ग्रोथ रिटर्न. हाउ ग्रोथ रेट? व्हाट इज द एनुअलाइज्ड रेट ऑफ रिटर्न? इट इज नॉट इवन 13%. 12.5% का रिटर्न आपको छूटा है पिछले 45 साल में इन रियल एस्टेट. इन दैट सेम पीरियड a fund, forget the fund, Sensex has actually delivered almost 17 times return. So I think this fetish of real estate जो हमारे mind में है, that prevents us from allocating right, and obviously because of that investing wise. And we know enough and more examples. I'm not getting into real estate. बहुत ही controversial topic है. And यहाँ पे if I'm the movie producer and you are the censor board, बहुत सारे cuts होंगे. So I don't want to do that. Second thing is gold. That is bigger Maya. I mean, bigger. If it were like a Vishwamitra, then it is like one Apsara trying to woo you to buy gold. तो gold में क्या हो रहा है ना? Gold में every money, मतलब आप सब कुछ बेच बाज के, मतलब घर बार भी बेच के, effectively any average Indian is willing to buy gold. Again, here I can tell you data. I mean, data तो बहुत है. You know, the beauty about data is that if you torture data, it can confess to anything. So here I'm not there to torture data, but the point I'm trying to make is that यहाँ पे अगर आपने फिजिकली सोना खरीदा होता आफ्टर पेइंग 100 रुपीज ऑफ कैश, जहाँ पे आप टैक्स नहीं भरते हो, vis-a-vis यू पे 33% टैक्स, आपके पास 65 या 70 रुपया बचा, एंड दैट मनी यू इन्वेस्ट इन टू एक्विटी. Even that, if you see over a period of 10, 15, 20 years, 110%, there is no doubt in my mind. As I said, यहाँ पे charts नहीं है for me to show you. There is no doubt that equity has clearly ruled. So what I'm trying to tell you between all these things is that जो asset allocation जो है is like a थाली. If you're a Gujarati, it's a Gujju थाली. If you're a South Indian, it's a South Indian थाली. जो भी है, it's a थाली. थाली क्या होता है? थाली is an assortment. वो assortment में आपके पास proteins है, carbohydrates है, फैट्स है, यू टॉक अबाउट कैल्शियम है, मतलब एवरीथिंग इज रिक्वायर्ड इन योर पोर्टफोलियो. अगर आप एक ही एसेट क्लास की तरफ एकदम कन्वर्ट हो जाओगे एंड यू वांट टू गेट कैरिड अवे बाय दैट, आई थिंक देयर इज अ कहावत विच सेज विनाश काले विपरीत बुद्धि. What happens is that is short recipe for doomsday. So I think you really don't want to do that. So therefore, if I'm not a doctor, okay, I'm a CIO, I'm a fund manager, but if I were a doctor, so what is the prescription I would give you for long-term wealth creation? And mind you, long-term सबके mind में अलग-अलग है. Long-term आपके mind में होगा 1 day, मेरे mind में होगा 1 year, किसी और के mind में होगा 5 years, 10 years, so that's not the point. But ultimately, on an average, long-term is expected minimum 5 years. उससे कम में अगर आपको इन्वेस्ट करना है, it doesn't make sense. So what is that prescription? That prescription is regular investment. And I think क्लीशे हो गया, ये बहुत ही घिसा पिटा, जैसे आप बोलोगे कि शहनशाह में तो कंटिन्यूसली अमिताभ मेक्स द स्टेटमेंट, रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहनशाह, तो वो काफ़ी घिसा पिटा डायलॉग हो गया, बट एवरी किड नोज दैट स्टेटमेंट. सो द पॉइंट इज दैट रेगुलर इन्वेस्टमेंट बिट बाय बिट. अगर आपको कोई डॉक्टर, इफ़ यू आर इन यू हैव एन एलिमेंट, आप डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, ही प्रिस्क्राइब्स यू पिल्स, तो डज ही टेल यू हैव ऑल द 3 pills एट वन टाइम? आंसर इज नो. एक हैव इट आफ्टर ब्रेकफास्ट, वन हैव इट आफ्टर लंच, एंड थर्ड हैव इट आफ्टर डिनर, डिपेंडिंग ऑन हाउ मच इज द कोर्स. तो वैसे ही इफ यू डू बिट बाय बिट, मतलब किश्तों में अगर आप करोगे, इफ यू टेक अ होम लोन, यू आर नॉट एक्सपेक्टेड टू पे दैट एंटायर होम लोन इन 1 day or 1 year or 10 years, depending on, it is expected that you do it in equated monthly installments, and that's exactly the funda. Your equated monthly installments should be the way you invest in mutual funds also. किसी के पास पैसा ज़्यादा होगा तो वो ज़्यादा करेगा, किसी के पास कम. सो लमसम या SIP, योर एडवाइजर इज द बेस्ट सूटेड, बट आई थिंक दैट इज वॉट इट इज. एंड my pet statement is that Chinese bamboo tree, which we again all of us are aware, आप उसमें पानी डालते रहोगे, it doesn't shoot up. You start getting frustrated. 5th year, 6th year, the way it shoots up. Compounding is the 8th wonder of the world. दिखाई नहीं देता आपको. 7 wonders तो आप विश्व भ्रमण करके देख सकते हो. 8th wonder of the world is something जो आप महसूस कर सकते हो, but only if you invest right. I think that's very, very critical. Thali example I gave you. The other thing people tell me is, yaar, why should we pay money? For what? For getting advice. So my question to them back is that अगर आपको weight loss करना है तो आप क्या करोगे? यू गो टू गूगल, गूगल में जाके आप गूगल कर लो, देखो आपको फ्री ऑफ चार्ज, कोई पैसे नहीं देने पड़ते आपको. बट द पॉइंट इज, विल यू फॉलो एवरीथिंग टू द टी? बिकॉज आपका कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन अलग है, योर BMI, योर कंस्ट्रक्ट इज वेरी डिफरेंट, सो यू नीड अ डाइटिशियन. So when you go to a dietitian, and mind you, dietitian is not always for weight loss. It is always to understand how to go about making this investment. बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, तो उसके लिए थोड़े पैसे तो खर्चने पड़ेंगे आपको. तो your financial dietitian is your advisor. Simple. There is absolutely no rocket science. तो इसमें कोई शोर शराबा करने वाली कोई बात ही नहीं है. So he will sit with you if he is your GP, यानी कि general practitioner. He will sit with you and guide you. He is your family doctor. So what's the harm and what's the hassle in paying him some advisory fee? कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. So I think it's very important that you chalk out your investment, because one size fits all शायद departmental store में होता होगा. But ये आपके जो finance का department है, the financial portfolio of yours, that is absolutely impossible. And it is very important that you have a healthy diet. अगर आपको डायबिटीज़ है तो ऐसा ये नहीं, कहीं भी रूल बुक में नहीं लिखा हुआ है दैट मैं एक गुलाब जामुन एक महीने में नहीं खा सकता. इट्स नॉट दैट वे. You can eat one gulab jamun, provided you are in control, provided you know there is somebody who is monitoring your intake. So that is exactly what is required, and I firmly believe that if you are able to keep that metrics right, अगर 4 quadrant है, अगर ये quadrants के खांचे में अगर आप बराबर से भर दो, I think there is enough and more money to be made in this market. As Nikunj also made showed you in his presentation, जो 100 रुपया investors like you and me, 100 rupees that goes about between fixed deposits, which is term deposits and insurance, 60 rupees goes into that. When it comes to financial savings, it's just 7 rupees. So it's a very deplorable number, and we are a 125, 130 crore population. So I think it's very, very important for us to understand that there is no shortcut to success. So aap timing, you can keep chasing returns, you can keep chasing markets, whether it's fixed income, whether it's equities, it's very, very easy. He also made a statement, which is a very interesting point, which I thought I will also elaborate on, ki any average fund manager, extraordinary and below that is a thing, he always keeps reading. You're always on the lookout, whether you're driving down, whether you're somewhere, depending on the mode of travel, that you're continuously reading. Bill Gates, none of you, neither you nor me are Bill Gates. Bill Gates reads on an average 50 books a year. That's approximately 1 book a week. Warren Buffett said that from the age of 9, 10, and what I've learned, only thing is to read. He says if you've read 500 pages a day, okay, he's an eccentric, okay, he's an extreme. 500 pages a day, if you read, you've achieved nirvana. फिर गौतम बुद्धा बनने की जरूरत नहीं है, फिर you can be you, and that's fine. So I think it's very, very important. So the prescription for wealth creation is very simple. जैसे बोलते हैं नानी माँ के नुस्खे, it's very, very simple. We make it very complicated in our minds. As fund managers, we don't have, if you have 5 stars, I don't have 6 stars. We all have 5 stars. We all have to understand that wealth creation is a process. You focus on the destination. See, what is the point of having only a goal in mind without a plan? If you have a goal, work towards that goal. You have to plan a trip to the US in May 2017. You have to act right now. You can't sit on May 1st and say, oh, I don't have a US visa. It's not possible, right? So you need to plan. So what is that? So asset allocation, as I told you, the thali system, remember the thali? Every day if you like pasta, do you eat pasta the whole day? I don't think even Italians eat pasta the whole day. They get bored of it. So we are Indians. Number 1. Second is regular investment. So again, I don't want to get into SIPs. Everybody has bitten, chun, sabki PhD ho gayi SIP mein, so I don't want to talk about it. It gets a little bit boring for me also to talk, but I think regular investment. Cheating mat karo fir. आज ठंड हो गई 6 o'clock in the morning, it's 10 degrees, okay, let me sleep and then I won't exercise. That's not possible. So I think your portfolio also requires a fitness discipline, so do that. Short-term pain versus long-term gain. Brexit हुआ, Rexit हुआ, Trump आ गया, मोदी की सरकार बनी, कल किसी और की सरकार बनेगी, who cares? Doesn't matter. I showed you that slide where you try to time entry, 45% return. Where you did not try to time the entry, the return was in excess of 60-70,000%. I'm talking about simple return. Usko annualize karoge, it's still more than double, triple than what you try to get by timing the market. So I think stick to your path. It's like this, if you go to a supermarket, and I'm sure most of you would have, or when you're in a flight, when you go into a check-in, when you're standing for the security clearance, yahan pe queue choti hoti hai, you move over there. From there, you move over here. I'm sure some of us would have realized or witnessed this in our own personal lives. डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर में गए, क्यू में खड़े रहे, बिलिंग के लिए, यहाँ पे छोटा दिख रहा है, वहाँ पे चले गए, पता चला आपके पीछे 3 वाले आदमी आपके आगे निकल गए, आप वहीं पे खड़े हो. So the point is, why would you want to do all that? Because you have to learn to withstand that pain if you want a long-term gain. Even a child, mind you, even a child takes 9 months of birth. That 9 months, and I'm sure all the women sitting in this room, for those of you who are married and are parents, will understand that it is an ordeal. They say it's a woman rebirth. So then we could not give India 9 weeks to demonetize. It's not a big deal. पैसा नहीं तो कोई बड़ी बात नहीं है. 9 महीने में बच्चा पैदा तो आप 9 हफ्ते में पूरे देश भर को आप रिफॉर्म कर रहे हो. It's a big deal. Don't create a hue and cry about it. You know, we Indians, our tolerance power is also very low. It's not just we humans, and specifically for all of us, because our investment cult is very poor. Our tolerance is also very poor. थोड़ा बहुत बाजार में उथल पुथल. I was in Delhi yesterday. In fact, I'm coming straight from the airport. I had a long session on budgets and equity and debt and stuff like that. One investor gets up and asks that March end में क्या है target? तो मैंने बोला डबल हो जाएगा. तो he said डबल हो जाएगा, क्या बात है? तो मैंने उनको बोला March 2022. And then सब फुस हो गया. So the point I'm trying to say is that you're talking about March 2017, which is 1 month from today. I don't know. If I would know that, why would I work with my employer? I would manage my own money, isn't it? So I think let's not assume that fund managers are into prediction, because prediction, if fund managers start doing, astrologers की तो नौकरी निकल जाएगी. So we obviously won't do that. So what should be your asset allocation? Equity, buy on dips? There is absolutely no formula. सोचो ही मत, दिमाग मत लगाओ. सेल होता है ना, वेरोमोडा में सेल, women, yeah, पैंटलून, बिग बाजार, जहाँ पे भी सेल लगता है, Amazon, बिग डे सेल, we go buy. 50 का 70% हो जाता है, क्या आप लौटा देते हो 50% वाला गुड, सेइंग आप वापस ले लो? नो. Then why do you hit the redemption button in equities? You shouldn't do that. Buy more. Fixed income, have your asset allocation. I can't cover all of that in the next couple of minutes, but very important for you to understand. Engage with your advisor. He is your financial dietitian. Gold, physical gold, I think is very old-fashioned. You need to move with times. Sovereign gold bonds, gold ETFs, all that is available. Real estate, it will give you pain. It has given you pain. Like it has always, but I think एक घर में खरीदोगे, एक घर में रहोगे ना, 2-3 घरों में तो नहीं रह सकते. So buy that much, as much is required for you. Budget has given a lot of sobs, but I think what is important is to keep your asset allocation right. And once you have your asset allocation right, then I don't think incrementally you will have any questions about Sensex कहाँ होगा, 10 year कहाँ होगा, हीरो होंडा हमने स्टॉक खरीदा, आज 2% डाउन है, क्या करेंगे? I don't think those things will really matter to you. So I think the dharma is, or the fatwa for all of us is, absolutely learn to allocate right, and only if you invest wise will you see your wealth rise. So that's it from my end.
I think that was short and crisp. Kadak ekdam, correct? Yeah, can I hear a loud applause for ma'am again? I seriously think that when people say she's a role model for everybody, it did make sense because she just proved herself. Thank you so much, ma'am, for that lovely speech for us, and we were guided totally right. And I hope, ladies and gentlemen, you too are enjoying this lovely session, because I am thoroughly enforced now, and I think I'm too good.